I'm walking down this old road here, just sort of exploring, I came across at least 2 vehicles there. Look at that cutting, all those trees cut down. Let's go check this out. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Somebody hit it with a shotgun. Busted that window there. Ashtray. Doesn't look like there's anything in it. Sometimes might find some change or something in it. That window there looks like it's whole. All together. These old vehicles, man. Look at that. Must have said Galaxie 500, I would say. Never heard of it, but there it is. Look at that. Man, that little triangle window's all together. Oh man. This one here too. It is. It's a Ford, look. Family of Ford products. Yep, that window's all together. Not broke, that's amazing. Windshield's broke though, there it is sitting on the front seat. Can't really get in it. That door kind of opens, but let's see what's in here. I cut myself on any of that glass. Oh. Anybody remember driving these? Vinyl seats. Some fabric on it. Yeah. Wow. It's a beast. Lots of chrome on it. Antenna. Well, still functions. Amazing. There's that other one over there. Let's check that out. It's getting late, so I'll have to get out of here. Well, it's not getting late, but it's getting, sun's going down. Trunk opens, nothing in there. Look at that. There's a window there too. All in one piece. This triangle one's busted out. Still rotates though. Steering wheel's gone. Granite rock in the driver's seat. Impala. Impala. Had an Impala. Hope 7 years ago. It was a good car, comfy, lots of room. Another one over there. That's all mangled up. Not much left of that. Looks like it was a Ford though. See FO there. Alright, well, I guess that's pretty much it. Kind of cool, find the stuff out in the woods. Don't see any more around. Anyways, I'll let you go for now and get back at you later on. Well, I'm out looking for cellar holes and came across this here. There's another one up there. That one up there is pretty much demolished. This one's pretty well there too, but I don't know how many of them's here. At least 2 by the looks of it, possibly 3. Glass still in that window. Huh. Windshield. Wow. Doesn't look like there's much here to salvage of it. Front end's gone. There's some parts up there. Don't see any more around. Frozen in the ground. That's there. Yeah. What's this one over here all about? Let's check this out. Yeah, that's in rough shape. Can't make much there. There's a fender or something over there. A door there. Okay, well, get back at you later.